Happy Freebie Friday, everyone. It's the time of the week where I give you another file to download. Now, in the description, there'll be a playlist where I think there's 11 of these already. Watch the playlist, you'll get 11 new books for your KDP library. So today's book is something that I've only just done. I've released it myself and a couple of days ago, and it's already making sales. Now, this is the product summary from the book. And as you can see here, BSR 228707. I should have finished that off there. 228707, which, considering the book's only been live for 2 days, isn't bad. Estimated sales 21. Wow, 21 sales in 2 days. Can you believe that? If you answered no there, you are right to answer no. Of course, it hasn't done 21 books in 2 days. I'm not that good, but it is making sales. This BSR is obviously estimated over the entire month. That's where BSRs can give you a false indication of how good a book's doing. So don't believe everything you read. But it is making sales, and I'm giving you it for free. All you've got to do is watch the video to the end, and I will give you a code. So you've got to watch the video till the end, you'll get the code. Don't comment saying it's not free, because it is. Watch the vid, you will get the code. And this is the book you'll get. It's a blank, multi-purpose, basic logbook. I did a video on how popular these were, how they're selling well, and I published one myself, and it's making sales, which is unbelievable, really. And it's just a basic book. You get a title page, you get a repeating journal, and it's just basically this. It's a blank logbook, 120 pages. There's a space for details on the top, and then these are your columns to fill in. Very simple to make, but there is a market for them. Now, full disclosure, this isn't the exact same one as I've published. Of course not. That would be silly. You don't want two books identical. But it's very similar. The only thing I've changed is this bit at the top. You've got a line, I had a box. But it's as simple as that. This is what you get for watching this video till the end. This very, very short video till the end. Now, to get the book, you just look below in the description. In the description, there'll be a link to my Gumroad shop. Click that link, and you'll be taken to this page here. It says £5 there. You will not pay £5, especially if you're watching the video this far. Click I want this, and put in the discount code, not that one, that'll get you an out. Blank log. That's what the disc code is. Blank log. BLANKLOG. Hit enter. That $5 or whatever it is plus tax goes down to £0. That's it. You can tip as if you want, but don't feel obliged to. So that's it. That's the end of the vid, and this is the file you'll get. I'll just scroll through it a bit because people do skip the end to get the code, so I'll trick them by making them watch me scroll. Scrolly, scrolly, scroll. So if you have just jumped to the end in the hopes of getting the code, you've missed it. You've got to go back about 3 minutes to get it. So yep, that's it. Free book. There'll be a playlist in the description. There's another 10 or 11 free assets you can get in there. Yours for free when you watch the video. It's all the same sort of thing. Watch the video, you get a discount code. Put the discount code in. The book is yours for absolutely nothing. I've given away prayer journals, recipe books, kids' gratitude journals, which are fantastic even if I do say so myself. Yours for free, just for spending a little bit of quality time with yours truly. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.